So hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. So in case you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Subscribe, like my videos, share, and also leave a comment down below on what you think about my videos. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Please support me and I really appreciate it. So I'm tired. I'm from doing videos. It is 6:04 in the evening. It's almost 7. So but let me just try to share something with you guys. Just a very short video, then we go home. Because I'm so tired and I'm not feeling well. So guys, first of all, thank you so much guys for those who have been supporting me. I really appreciate, and I am forever grateful. And this one goes to my fellow YouTubers. To my fellow YouTubers. My fellow YouTubers, like we have so many, like the young YouTubers, like people, like growing a channel is not easy, guys. It's very hard. Even getting to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, getting monetized, it is not easy. It's a very long journey. But at the same time, you get like maybe you start the channel with someone else, and when someone else supports you, when you go up there, you forget about others, and then you start talking bad about them. That is so wrong. It's not nice to do that. And like you see in this life, we learn every day. Don't talk about others because the channels are not doing well. Imagine, let me just say the way it is. Imagine you're struggling maybe to grow the channel, and then when you say, oh, let me just travel somewhere, maybe I can do a collab with someone, and maybe this person will help me, it will help me, or he or she will help me, like, to push my channel. And then someone from somewhere will go and make a call and call that person that you're going to meet, and tell that person, hey, don't do a collab with that person. Don't do a collab with that person. Reason being, I don't know. I really don't know. But that is so bad. That is so bad. It's always good to support each other, because in this YouTube or in this life, sometimes things do change. Sometimes things do change. You don't know. You might be higher today, than tomorrow you are very low. So we need each other, guys. We need each other. We gotta support each other. Stop being jealous of others. I don't know why, but this YouTube streets, it carries a lot of people. Carries a lot of people. Like, for example, maybe like, some people are so lucky. They start the channel today. Within 1 week, they're monetized. Within 1 week, they're just monetized. And others, like they go up to 2 years, 3 years, 1 year without being monetized. So, like, YouTube, it's a whole struggle. Like, if you don't have maybe a good supportive system, you might even give up with this YouTube. And then when you are at that point of giving up, and then when you're trying to grow the channel, like to travel and do some collabs, then someone from somewhere will go and call the person and say, hey, don't do a collab with that person. Reasons I don't know. So for me, you guys, I have a lot of fears. Like, I fear YouTubers. I don't know why, but me nowadays I fear. I really, like, it's better I die with my problems than sharing it with someone else, because people have really become so bad. Like, you share, you maybe if I have a problem, I share it with someone. The next day you will hear it from someone else, and you wonder, What is really happening? Like you have a problem, yeah, you have a big problem, or you're somehow depressed, but you cannot share with anyone. Why? Because you fear. Fear. Maybe you trust this person, and then the person goes and tells your story out there. So that is so heartbreaking. I don't know, guys, if you can see me well. My camera is misbehaving, yeah. But guys, yeah, that is so wrong. That is so wrong. You see, man, people are really suffering. Yeah, people are suffering. People are dying out here. Depression is killing people, and that state, like you find, you cannot share your story with anyone. Like you cannot trust anyone. The reason being, you fear, so you end up dying with your problems. You end up dying with your problems simply because people are not good. Yeah. So let us just, like, I really wish we could be like, if someone has a problem and someone shares the problem with you, like you could keep that like a secret. You see? Yeah. You see, some people use that like to see you like a weak person. I don't know, weak person. Yeah. Like they take advantage of that because you shared your story with them. And like they really want to ruin your life. That is so wrong. Yeah, that is so wrong. So that is what, like, that is it. That is what has been really disturbing me. You see, like sometimes it's always good to share your problem, your what you are going through. Maybe someone might come through. Maybe someone can help. You see. Yeah, but when you find like you're sharing this and you get this, you hear your story from a different person, it is so heartbreaking. Yeah, it even brings fear. Yeah, so this goes to everyone out there. If you know someone, like, be your brother's keeper, and try to maybe like try to talk with your friends. If you see someone else has disappeared for like 2 to 3 days, look for that person. Someone might be going through so much. Yeah, someone might be going through so much, and that person might not be able to speak or to tell anyone because of the fear. And again, as YouTubers, we really need to support each other. And we stop being jealousy, hypocrisy. Like we have a lot of jealousy among us. We have a lot of hypocrisy among us. So we need to stop. Support is free. And when you see someone's channel is not growing, stop making that person as a laughing stock. That's not right. Like you goes everywhere discussing about that person. That is not good. Instead, you should be encouraging that person. You should call that person, encourage him or her. Yeah, maybe if you know the way he or she can improve the channel, you tell the person instead of talking bad about that person. Don't make someone a laughing stock. Like, yeah. So stop that habit. Yeah. Yes, because one of my friend was telling me, "Hey Irene, how are you?" So like we talked, and it was like, "Oh, so now I'm going through this and this, and I really don't know what to do." So I told that person, you what you need to do is just be yourself, love yourself first, and everything will come. Yeah, we have ups and downs in this life. Yeah, someday maybe we will die. We are not going to live forever. We will die. So like when you talk about like when when you do something, can you like ask yourself, what legacy are you going to leave? Maybe when you die, when you leave this world, what legacy are you going to leave in this world? Are you the one, like, people will be saying, oh, that person used to say this and this bad things about this and this? Yeah. So be nice to people, guys. Be nice to others. People are suffering. People are going through a lot. So someday I'll come and sit down and do maybe a live stream and tell you the story of my life someday when I get the courage to do that. Yeah, and I get the courage to do that. Sometimes, some of us we only survive with word of encouragement. That is what we are remaining with. Yeah, like if you encourage me, that one keeps me going. If you pray for me, that one keeps me going. Yeah, so someday let me just try to gather my courage. I will come sit down, do a very long live stream, or a very long video, maybe 1 hour. I tell you the story of my life, but not now. Yeah, but you guys be nice to others. Be nice to others, and don't make others as your loving stock. You see, loving stock or loving stone? I don't know if I feel that way. Yeah, so encourage others when they need your help. Support others if you are able to, and everything will be okay. Yeah, everything will be okay. Yeah, so I know us young YouTubers, we are suffering. We are really suffering. The struggle is real. Like sometimes you wake up in the morning and you feel like, today I don't even feel like uploading a video. Yeah, I don't even feel like me. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I feel like I don't even feel like talking to anyone. Like I just feel like being alone. Yeah. So things are really happening, and we just thank God for everything, because we are learning every day. Today you make a mistake, tomorrow you learn a new thing, and that is how we learn. Yeah, so I don't know if I said that all those well. That one is not personal. I just said it from point of view. Yeah. Yeah, so support others when they are still alive. Support others if you can. When someone has a problem and you are able to support the person. It is not like a must. It is not like a support is by giving money. No, even calling that person, encouraging that person, advising that person, that is a very huge support. Very, very huge support. Let us be our brother's keeper. Let us love each other. Because without love, then we are doing what? We are not doing good. Even the Bible says that. Love is the greatest commandment. I don't know if that is okay. I said it well, but let us love each other. Let us love each other. Let us have unity. Let us support each other, and everything will be okay. Yeah. Yes. So me, I'm done. If maybe you have a question, if I've offended anyone here, so I'm very, very sorry. But me, I was just speaking my mind. Yeah. Yes. Support others. I'm sorry if I have offended anyone, but that is it. So thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm in the village. I'm still in the village. Yeah, as from next week, I'm going to do certain project. So I'm going to take you along with me. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like my videos. We are going to do videos plucking tea, because we have not been plucking tea like for like 2 months, because we had a lot of sun and the tea dried. So when it has started raining like this, the nini is going to come out, you know. So because I know so many friends of mine have been telling me, can you do a video on how to pluck tea in your family, in your village? So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you starting from next week, because tomorrow I'm going to the garden to check if it is ready. Then we'll come and pick and pluck with my mother and my brother. Yeah, so please subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share with your friends. Yeah, share with your friends, and I really appreciate. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.